Hey guys, it's Misty with Mystic Gigi. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you're not yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing and the love and support. And thanks for coming back. I'm showing you my colors right here. We're doing a Dutch pour, but my medium is, my recipe is different, quite a bit different. So the recipe will pop up as soon as I'm done showing the colors. And then make sure you just pause it on the screen, and then you can screenshot it or whatnot. So my canvas I'm using is 16 by 20 gallery wrapped, and my base colors are Payne's gray mixed with white to make it a really light Payne's gray, almost like a gray, and then just regular white. So I will let you guys watch, and don't forget to check out the description below. There's a bunch of goodies down there and discount codes and my social media links. Thanks, guys. All right, guys, check it out. I'm very impressed with how vibrant the colors are. The colors are amazing. I'm not quite sure if I like the composition. I wanted to try something different, which this is different for me because I don't usually flare out my Dutch pours like that, but I wanted to try it. So that is what it looks like. Well, I appreciate you guys. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and check out the links below. I got discount codes and all kinds of goodies. Thank you guys. Have a great day.